Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing another delicious sausage roll recipe with you. We are going to be making this from scratch. So come along and let's get right into the video. So in my mixing bowl here, I have some all-purpose flour and I just added some onion powder, garlic powder, and I'm also going to grate in about half of 1 nutmeg. You are going to go ahead and add about a pinch of salt, not too much, and then mix all the ingredients together until they are well combined. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some butter, and I'm going to try to crumble my butter into my flour. You may also use some margarine if that's what you have. So once your butter is well incorporated, it will look something like this, like cornmeal texture or like coarse sand. Now to bring our dough together, I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of cold water, but I'm going to do this a tablespoon at a time. Depending on the type of flour you use, you may need more or less of the water I'm recommending. So you just have to keep adding until you are able to bring your dough together, just like I'm doing in this video. So once your dough is moistened enough, you should be able to form this into a ball. It doesn't have to be super smooth. It's okay for it to be a little crumbly at this stage. These are the sausages I'll be using today. They are cooked and I have patted them dry, but you may use any sausage of your choice. So now let's go ahead and make our sausage rolls. First, I'm going to flour my work surface and then go ahead and roll out my dough. When rolling out your dough, you want to roll it out as thin as possible, about ½ an inch thick, but you also have to be careful not to overwork your dough. We are going to wrap our dough around our sausage, so you want it as flat as possible. If you roll out your dough too thick, it will make your sausage roll very doughy. Well, you can go ahead and do it like that if that's what you prefer, but I want a good balance between the dough and the sausage. I have trimmed my rolled out dough just to make it easier for me to cut out the dough to wrap around my sausages. You just want to cut enough dough that will be able to wrap the sausage you are using. I am eyeballing this, but you can measure it if it works easier for you. Now I go ahead and wrap my dough around my sausage and I make sure to add a little bit of extra dough just so I can seal it properly, just like this. So once it's rolled, you want to use your thumb to press it down so it doesn't open up during baking. I want the ends of my sausage rolls to be exposed because it adds some color to my sausage rolls, so I'm cutting off the excess dough just so the sausages will be exposed. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this step until all my sausages are wrapped with my dough. This recipe is enough to make you about 20 to 25 sausage rolls depending on the sausages you'll be using. In my bowl here, I have 1 egg, and to that I'm going to add a splash of water, beat it, and then create my egg wash. This I'm going to brush my sausage with to give it a very beautiful and shiny color once it's baked. So as you can see here, I have lined my sausage rolls onto a lined baking sheet and my oven is preheating at 170 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bake my sausages for about 20 to 25 minutes, and there you have it. Our beautiful sausage rolls are done. Now just look at how beautiful and golden these sausage rolls are looking. All you need is some cold beverage to wash it down with. I really love this sausage roll because of its simplicity. It is always a hit whenever I serve them to my guests. So do make it a point to try it this weekend, and I know you are not going to be disappointed. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, Remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So, bake these sausage rolls with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!